Hi everybody, Lorraine here. One of the Facebook pages that I belong to put out a challenge for this week, and the challenge was to pick a cereal box and do a pour based on your cereal box. I always liked Lucky Charms when I was a kid, so I chose Lucky Charms. I like the colors and the way it's presented. A lot of red, a lot of yellow. You got your pink hearts, you got your blue moons and your yellow stars and the green from your little leprechaun here. So what I have is some Master's Touch Red. I have some Master's Touch Yellow. I mixed up a green. I didn't have a dark green, so I made one. This is an emerald green. It's lighter. I have a mixed up blue. It's mostly sky blue. I have an Anita's fluorescent pink and an Anita's fluorescent orange. So I think what I'm going to do is a dirty, well, I'd probably do a flip cup with this and put a little bit of silicone in it and see what we come up with. So I'm going to put this up here as my reference. And let's just get at it. Kind of a fun little challenge. Trying to decide what I want to come out on top. I think I'm going to start with just a little red. Not a lot. Red is very dominant. Go with the green, the darker. Go with my yellow stars. There's the lighter green I'm going to put in here. Then we have blue moons. And pink hearts. And there's some sort of orange stars in there. So I'm going to use my fluorescent orange. Let's see, did I miss anything? I'm going to put a little bit of the pearl white in there. I don't want to use a lot of it. But let's see. I think I'll just do another round here because I need this cup just about full. Red. My green. Yellow. The lighter green. And I was going to put some silicone in here. I'll just give it a little stir. Go with our blue. And a fluorescent pink. Fluorescent orange. Put it just a few drops. This is about 5 ounces, so I'm going to put, that's probably plenty. I'm going to put that much in there. Give it a little bit of a stir with this skewer. And I'm going to top it off with some red because the color of the box is red. And this is an 8 by 10 canvas. So let's see what we get. I'll put a little red around here to help it move. Since that's the primary color of our subject. Give it a minute or two to fall down. You know what, I did not put purple horseshoes in there. I don't know, maybe it's ruined. I'm sure it'll be alright. It's going to be plenty colorful. Some crazy colors going on. Fun little challenge. Okay. I think I might have given it enough time. Let's see what happens. I'm trying to decide if I want to pick it straight up or off to the side. I am just going to go straight up. Whoa! Some kind of funky colors in the cup. Just put them on the edge. On the corners. Just to cover the corners. Ooh, there's some really pretty cells coming out. And that green right there in the middle. Let's see if I can bring the focus down on the camera here a little bit. Zoom you right in. Check that out right in the middle. That's pretty cool. Okay, move you back out. We'll move this around a little bit. I think I'll torch it first. Some of the silicone come up to the top. Quite a bit of air bubbles in there too. Love those neon colors in there. Woo. I have to put my hand down here. I don't know what I did with my little edge catcher that I have. Bring it down to this corner. Quickly bring it back. Doesn't look like I had to put any purple in there. I had the blue next to the red. Looks like it's working out pretty good. I'll go give my hands a quick rinse and I'll be right back. Okay. Looks like we have some sort of sea monster in the middle. Cover my edges here and we'll see what develops here. Well, I don't know if I can say that looks magically delicious. It's kind of an odd color combination when you do it this way. I'm going to give it a tilt down this way. See what we can get out of this. I only needed about 4 ounces of paint and a bit over on that estimation. That was a 5-ounce cup and I had it very full. See a little butterfly right there? He's pretty neat looking. Bring it back a little bit. I'm going to give it another torch, see if anything else comes up. There are some pretty interesting looking cells in here. I think that blue might have been mixed with the red or something. It's kind of purplish looking. Got some really cool webbing here and some really pretty defined cells in this area and that area. So there we have it. Challenge complete. I will bring the camera down and give you a close-up of it. Okay guys, here's our inspiration, and there's the product of it. I really like these cells up in here. They're very pretty. Interesting lines. See, even though we didn't put any purple in there, we have purple. Some really pretty cells right here. So there we have it. I'll zoom it back out. Thanks for watching, guys. This was a fun challenge. See you later. Bye.